Poison has been injected in the political discourse of Delhi elections. Now, Prime Minister Modi has also made his entry in the Yamuna water wars. Days ahead of the assembly elections in the national capital, PM, while addressing a rally in Kartar Nagar, slammed Kejriwal over his allegations of BJP-led Haryana government mixing poison in Yamuna. Modi claimed that such accusations were born out of sheer fear of loss. Without mincing words, Prime Minister Modi accused the former Delhi CM of trying to malign not just the people of Haryana but all Indians by trying to say that people of one state would want to poison those from another. Modi also reminded Kejriwal that the same water is consumed by judges, diplomats. He quipped even the Prime Minister drinks the same water. Listen in.
अपने 25 साल कांग्रेस भी देखी, आपदा भी देखी, अब एक बार कमल को भी देख लीजिए। मुझे सेवा करने का अवसर दीजिए। हार के डर से आपदा वाले बौखला गए हैं। हरियाणा के लोग दिल्ली से अलग है क्या? हरियाणा का भेजा यही पानी दिल्ली में रहने वाला हर कोई पीता है। पिछले 11 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री भी वही पानी पीता है। वहां का एक एक नागरिक धर्म परायण है, वे देशभक्ति से भरे हुए लोग हैं। क्या ऐसे लोगों को जहर पिलाने वाले ऐसे आरोप लगा दो आप? ये सिर्फ हरियाणा का अपमान नहीं, ये भारतीयों का अपमान है, हमारे संस्कारों का अपमान है, हमारे चरित्र का अपमान है।
Now, in a response to the Election Commission, Kejriwal has cited the Delhi Jal Board letter dated 27 Jan as evidence behind his allegations. Meanwhile, Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini fact-checked Kejriwal and clarified that Yamuna water in Haryana has adequate oxygen level. The CM also added that the water turns toxic after it goes to Delhi and enters Faridabad in Haryana. Even Rahul Gandhi reminded Kejriwal of his promise to drink water from Yamuna. While AAP continues to maintain that Yamuna water was poisoned and is unfit for consumption and use, listen into the war of words.
कल यहाँ के सैंपल लिए हैं, जो पानी के सैंपल थे उसमें कहीं कोई जहर की मात्रा नहीं है। मैंने खुद पानी का आचमन किया है। केजरीवाल साहब की पूरी जिंदगी झूठ बोल करके 10 साल उन्होंने निकाले हैं। जितना मात्रा यहाँ होनी चाहिए उतनी मात्रा यहाँ पर है, पानी स्वच्छ है। परंतु जब यहाँ से ये दिल्ली में जाता है, दिल्ली के बाद ये हमें पलवल फरीदाबाद में मिलता है, तो वो भयानक है। आरोप लगाने की इनकी फितरत है, काम कुछ करते नहीं।
जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, केजरीवाल जी कहते हैं, कहा था उन्होंने कि मैं यमुना का पानी पीऊंगा। मैं चैलेंज करता हूं, केजरीवाल जी जो आपने कहा था, ऐसी मीटिंग में जो कहा था, जो दिल्ली को आपने वायदा किया था कि मैं यमुना को साफ करूंगा और यमुना जी का पानी पीऊंगा, मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं, आज आप जाके यमुना जी का पानी पी लीजिए। चैलेंज करता हूं।
ये बेहद दुखद है कि पानी जैसे सेंसिटिव मामले पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी खुद राजनीति कर रहे हैं। ये क्लियर है कि ड्रेन नंबर 2, ड्रेन नंबर 6 जो हरियाणा से दिल्ली में आती है, उसमें अमोनिया लेवल अप टू 7.2 ppm पहुंच गया है। जो जहर है अमोनिया, वो अनफिट फॉर कंजम्पशन, अनफिट फॉर यूज और खतरनाक है ह्यूमन बॉडी के लिए। हरियाणा सरकार, ये भाजपा सरकार इतनी विंडिक्टिव है कि अपनी ऐतिहासिक हार देखकर दिल्ली में वो अब इन हरकतों पे उतारू है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let's open up the debate. Pradeep Bhandari, Tushar Gupta, Tehseen Poonawalla and Preeti Sharma Menon. She's the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, is joining us on debate number 2. Time will be given to everybody. Let's please maintain decorum. Let me begin with you, Pradeep Bhandari. A reply has been given to the Election Commission. They had set a deadline and the charges have been reiterated. Mass genocide, that's the allegation. Polluted water is entering Delhi and Haryana government is responsible.
Well, Swati, Arvind Kejriwal for the last 10 years promised to the people of Delhi that he would clean Yamuna, and if he will not clean Yamuna, the people of Delhi should not vote him. Mr. Kejriwal has gone to the lowest level that Indian politics has ever seen, that his own home village, his own place of Haryana from where he resides, just because Haryana did not vote him and ensured that the Aam Aadmi Party got equal votes than Nota, he's now started to blame the people of Haryana, saying कि Haryana के लोग जहर डालते हैं यमुना के अंदर. First of all, yesterday the Delhi Jal Board exposed him. Today this is Mr. Nayab Singh Saini himself going to Haryana, the part of Yamuna in Haryana and drinking the water. The reality here is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is trying to shift the goalpost.
Okay.
He's not answering the question on Yamuna, that why did he not clean Yamuna. He will be booked, and FIR is already filed on him in 10 seconds. Imagine the level to which Mr. Kejriwal is going. This is the latest video, and in this video there have been liquor bottles which are found in Delhi just recently, and all of these are in Punjab government's name plate with Aam Aadmi Party pamphlets. Same thing happened yesterday in Narela with 6,500 beer bottles with that which were found in Arvind Kejriwal's thing.
All right.
शराब से और झूठ से अरविंद केजरीवाल दिल्ली को लूटना चाहते हैं, दिल्ली जवाब देगी.
Okay, let me go across to Miss Menon. Miss Menon, the Delhi Jal Board said these are misleading statements, and they also provide a clarification saying during the dry winter months the ammonia level goes up. And the Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that this is nothing but the fear of loss, and you're pitting people of one state against the other. Your quick response, ma'am.
Good evening. You gave adequate time to the other gentlemen to make accusations against me, so give me a few seconds to reply properly. Firstly, thank you for having me on the debate. And it's very, very cute that, you know, Aam Aadmi Party is either considered very devious and very clever, or we are very stupid. We are so stupid that we will get a Punjab government car, we will write Punjab Sarkar on it, we will put alcohol and money and our pamphlets together in front of Punjab Bhavan so that they can arrest us. Now, these are things that the BJP has tried against various opposition parties, where they plant fake evidence in order to arrest them, and they're doing it against us because time and again we have shown Parvesh Verma himself physically distributing shoes, shawls, saris and money. We've complained against him, so obviously they're making false accusations against us. That shall continue. That will be proven. Whoever is caught with cash and money, they should go to jail. Now, we keep referring to the Jal Board letter. I'm sorry, it's a bit messy, but I wonder if you can focus on this. So the first paragraph of the Jal Board letter castigates Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. The last paragraph also does that. These two paragraphs seem to be written in a BJP office. Read the middle paragraphs. I'll read it out to you. Presently, the ammonia is around 6.5 ppm in River Yamuna at Wazirabad Pond. Now, the water from Haryana comes into the Wazirabad Pond, the Wazirabad Barrage. It comes there. I admit and I accept that the water that we get from there we use for drinking water. The water continues down the Yamuna and there is sewage being released into the Yamuna. We have yet to clean it. We have laid down 6,300 kilometers of sewage lines, but we are yet to make sure that there are more. There are 37 STPs in Delhi, but we need more. There are 0 in Haryana. There is not a single STP in Haryana. We have released videos this morning from Jagadri. The factories over there are releasing their pollutants into the Yamuna through a drain. Now, ammonia comes only from industrial waste. It does not come from sewage. It doesn't come from washing clothes at a dhobi ghat. It comes from industrial sewage. This is not the first time. I have with me various letters last year from the Delhi Jal Board, from Delhi government, from the National Green telling Haryana government that ammonia levels are very high. I did not.
And has that happened only now? Are they deliberately doing it only now, just ahead of the elections, ma'am? This deliberate attempt to kill people?
Yes. You know, the Indian Bureau of Standards says that we should only use water which has 0.5 ammonia into the water treatment plant. But yet, usually 1 is taken, sometimes 2 and 3 is also taken. Last year when it went to 2 and 3, we complained, the NGT complained, the Jal Board complained. This time it went from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7.2 in a matter.
Okay, now it's time to open up the debate, ma'am. Now it's time to take counters. Pradeep Bhandari.
She's lying on your show. This is the Delhi Jal Board letter. How is it possible that the part of the letter which is convenient to her is correct, but the other part is written in the BJP office? It's like saying a part of the judgment is correct for you. What's the conclusion of the letter? The statement of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal are factually incorrect, misleading and inappropriate. They are 100% liars. You should apologize. Can Mr. Arvind Kejriwal take the dubki in Yamuna or drink the Yamuna water? He promised the people of Delhi to clean Yamuna. Now he's shifting goalposts while he is losing the election.
Those statements are
You are lying.
Okay, no, you said, you did. Okay, one second. Miss Menon, you did say that some portions. Okay, one second. No, Miss Menon, you did say that some portions are written in the BJP office and the rest you are citing. But let me bring in Tehseen Poonawalla. Now, there are some technicalities that the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to explain, saying that, the water comes directly to the water treatment plant. That is, one second, that is polluted. They do admit.
What kind of behavior?
Okay. No, let me.
STP plants are working in Haryana. She said not a single plant is working.
Okay, Tehseen. One second, please, Tehseen.
Again, this is Delhi which
Please
is...
put the volume.
One second. Miss Menon and Pradeep Bhandari, 1 second. Tehseen, ma'am, Tehseen's turn to speak now.
Thank you. Let's get 3 or 4 facts correct. Number one, Haryana has STPs. I don't know where the Aam Aadmi Party comes from. A simple Google search, Ambala, Faridabad, STPs. Number 2, STPs between states. For example, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, etc. 80% of the funds come from the union government. This is from the time of the Congress. This is not a political issue. Third, this is both states funded. So obviously there'll be funding by both states. So Delhi will fund Delhi, Uttar Pradesh will fund it. Haryana will fund Haryana, Delhi will also fund it. And 80% of the funds come from the central government. This is how it's done. Now it's curious, a letter that is printed in the BJP office. And again, I dislike the BJP. How can only part of it? So the BJP, the part that convicts them for poisoning and mass murdering Delhiites, will allow that part to be printed. If they can print the whole letter, they'll print the whole letter. They'll put 0.5 hai. Nahi hai 6.5. Aap kya kar loge? You keep fighting on TV. Look, the fact of the matter is the Honorable ex-Chief Minister of Delhi, a 3-time Chief Minister, has made very grave charges on a state where he was born. He said the BJP was planning a genocide and mass murder in Delhi. Right. This is what he said. If this is what he said, either the BJP needs to be arrested or he needs to be arrested. That's point number 1. It's not a simple charge of liquor being found in a car. Yes. It is genocide and mass murder being planned by the BJP. Now, if industrial waste is being dumped on purpose, obviously the Chief Minister of Haryana is not going and dumping. Who is this? Are bureaucrats doing it? Industrialists doing it? Can you give us some evidence?
Absolutely.
Who are these? Where is it coming? How is the BJP planning it? Are bureaucrats involved? Are bureaucrats allowing this? Are bureaucrats whose relatives may be in Delhi allowing for a mass murder and genocide in Delhi? These are very grievous charges.
So you're saying provide evidence for those allegations. Provide evidence for those allegations. Tushar Gupta, is this shoot and scoot politics of the Aam Aadmi Party again?
Scoot, where are we scooting? We are
Good
right
evening,
here.
Swati.
Ma'am, one second. Tushar Gupta hasn't even spoken. Let him finish.
Yeah.
Tushar, go ahead.
Swati, one very important fact check. Delhi, as of 2021, had 38 STPs. Haryana had 153. So when the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson says that there are no STPs in Haryana, she needs to be corrected and she needs to be better prepared for a national debate. Number 2, Swati, a lot of states in India have had disagreements on water sharing. Punjab, Haryana have had it, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have had it. The politics has also happened around that issue. But never in the history of India has one state accused the other state of poisoning the river water. Even at our lowest relationship with Pakistan, neither the Pakistanis nor the Indian side accused that, oh, we can poison the river or something like this can be even imagined. But Kejriwal, I mean, that was absolutely reckless what he said, that there is a mass genocide. The people of Haryana are Indians first, so are the people of Delhi. Do you think one Indian will kill another Indian just because Arvind Kejriwal, who has zero credibility, zero governance model, zero common sense, wants to win a local election? What kind of nonsense is this? And Swati,
allow a quick rebuttal. Miss Menon, respond on both counts, but very quickly I have to wrap up on the STPs as well and what Tushar Gupta is saying. No, I am completely out of time. Quickly. Miss Menon, respond.
Yeah. I have the news right here. I have the news right here. With most STPs out of order, Haryana continues to pollute the Yamuna. None of the STPs are...
Okay, one second. Ms. Menon, please respond. Two panelists have said that you are citing incorrect data.
I challenge her.
And here is the data. Okay, now the first paragraph where they say...
Let us speak. One second, Pratibha, I have to wrap up. Speak.
Look at the data. Okay. See, I just don't... I cannot speak like that.
Just quickly
I
respond.
don't even know who is shouting like that. I don't know how many BJP spokespersons...
Ms. Menon, I gave you the opportunity to respond. I gave you the opportunity to respond. Two panelists said that you are lying. Okay.
I am responding.
Will this issue
I am
backfire
responding.
or
I am saying there is data here.
Ms. Menon and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us.